1 pound beef, cut across the grain, thinly sliced. Wash the blood from the meat. Then place the meat in the strainer to drain. Squeeze the meat a little to get rid of the excess water and blood. Set aside.
1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Put 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix thoroughly. Pour the marinade into the beef. Make sure the beef is coated with the marinade. Marinate it for at least 30 minutes. This is the stir-fry sauce. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper or white pepper if you have, and mix. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. Putting oil in here will seal the marinade in the beef. Put oil, and I will put the beef. Spread it out. Flip it over or mix it. Spread it out again. You don't have to cook it all the way. You just have to brown it a little bit because we will continue to cook with the vegetables. Cook the beef for 60 to 90 seconds. So this should be ready. I'm going to take this out and then put a little bit of oil. Saute the garlic, onions, ginger, green onions or scallions, carrots. Add the cooked broccoli. I steam this for 1.5 minutes. You can also boil it for a minute or so. This is the stem of the broccoli, so I cut it into little strips. Add 1 tablespoon of water. And then put back the beef. Cook for 30 to 45 seconds or more if you like. It depends on how you like it. And then add the stir-fry sauce. I put a little bit of water here. Put sesame oil, 1 teaspoon, and then mix. And it's done. Serve it with rice or on top of noodles. Enjoy!